Welcome to Health Spark, where we fuel your strength, speed, and performance. Want to jump higher, move faster, and build serious power? These top 10 plyometric exercises are designed to ignite explosive strength and boost athletic performance. Get ready to push your limits and fire up those fast-twitch muscles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more power-packed workouts. Let's get started. 1. Jump squat. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart and squat down until thighs are nearly parallel. Explosively jump upward while swinging arms and fully extending your legs and hips. Land softly by bending your knees and returning immediately into the squat position. This develops power in your quads, hamstrings, and glutes with each explosive jump. Control the landing to reduce knee stress and maintain stability throughout the motion. Perform repetitions in controlled sets to build both strength and cardiovascular endurance. Jump squats elevate heart rate while enhancing leg power needed for athletic movement. They are ideal for sports requiring fast sprints, vertical leaps, or sudden direction changes. 2. Box jump. Start in a half squat and jump onto a sturdy platform or box with full commitment and drive. Use arms to assist upward momentum and land with both feet flat on the elevated surface. Bend knees to absorb impact and step back down slowly instead of jumping backward off. Choose box height appropriate to your skill level to avoid injury and maximize explosiveness. Box jumps improve vertical leap and neuromuscular coordination under explosive force. They teach efficient force generation from the ground through your hips and calves. Strong landings reinforce ankle, knee, and hip joint control during ballistic movement. This drill also conditions fast-twitch muscle fibers that enhance sprint and jump output. 3. Lateral bounds. Start in a single-leg stance and leap sideways from one foot to the other with balance. Land softly on the opposite foot and immediately prepare to rebound back again. This builds lateral quickness, ankle stability, and agility under explosive conditions. Keep knees slightly bent and hips low for better balance and injury prevention control. Swing arms rhythmically to generate horizontal force and maintain body alignment. Stay light on your feet and engage your core throughout each bounding transition. It mimics cutting motions in sports like basketball, tennis, and soccer very effectively. Perform repetitions focusing on both power and clean, quiet landings on each side. 4. Depth jumps. Stand on a low box and step off, landing with bent knees, then jump immediately upward. The goal is to absorb impact and redirect vertical energy into a powerful upward leap. This enhances stretch-shortening cycle performance and muscle reactivity under load. Use moderate box heights and ensure landings are quick and responsive, not slow. Depth jumps build the ability to produce power rapidly from a sudden ground contact. This mimics sports where force must be redirected from awkward or quick body positions. Control timing and ground contact to train explosive coordination and speed. Only attempt depth jumps after mastering regular jump mechanics and safe landings. 5. Plyometric push-ups. Begin in a standard push-up position and lower your chest until arms are bent at 90 degrees. Explosively push up so your hands leave the floor, then land softly and absorb the impact. You may add a clap at the top for an advanced variation to increase challenge and timing. This builds upper body explosive strength in the chest, shoulders, and triceps quickly. Keep your core engaged throughout to prevent sagging hips or spinal misalignment issues. Use a padded surface or mat to protect wrists and absorb shock upon re-landing. Control descent to prevent injury and maintain consistent technique with every push. This exercise mimics upper body power needed in combat sports or high-speed collisions. 6. Tuck jump. Start from an athletic stance, explode upward, and bring your knees toward your chest quickly. Land softly and immediately drop back into the starting position for the next repetition. This activates your hip flexors, core, and lower body fast-twitch fibers in one motion. Use arms to generate lift while maintaining a tall posture at the top of the jump. Minimize ground contact time and maintain consistent rhythm to build reactive power. Perform repetitions in a controlled environment to avoid joint stress or balance loss. This exercise simulates movements required in jumping sports and parkour training. Keep breathing steady and focused to handle cardiovascular intensity over time. 7. Skater hops mimic a speed skater's stride by hopping side to side and landing on one leg each time. Use a controlled arc and maintain balance during each transition without dragging feet. Swing arms for rhythm and keep the non-landing foot off the floor for best stability. This trains lateral explosiveness, ankle strength, and balance under dynamic pressure. Perform repetitions slowly at first, then increase intensity as you gain control and flow. Stay low and athletic during landings to reinforce posture and joint safety practices. Skater hops mimic direction changes in ice skating, field sports, and martial arts. This movement challenges core engagement and hip mobility under fast deceleration. 8. Split lunge jumps begin in a lunge position with one leg forward and explosively switch legs mid-air. Land softly in a lunge with the opposite foot forward, immediately ready to jump again. This targets glutes, hamstrings, and quads while building agility and coordination. Keep chest lifted and arms moving in sync with legs for better vertical momentum. Stay balanced and avoid leaning forward or backward when switching leg positions. Use body weight first and master control before adding resistance or dumbbells later. Split jumps build unilateral leg power and simulate sport-specific movements effectively. Maintain form throughout to avoid knee collapse or loss of alignment during transitions. 9. Medicine ball slams lift a medicine ball overhead and slam it forcefully into the ground with full intent. Catch it on the rebound or reset each time, then repeat the explosive downward motion. Engage your entire core, shoulders, and arms to maximize velocity and control safely. Keep knees bent and posture solid to avoid back strain during each dynamic slam. Medicine ball slams develop fast power generation and full body coordination. They are low impact on joints but extremely demanding on energy and force production. This move mimics throwing actions and contributes to sports like volleyball or wrestling. Perform repetitions at maximum intensity while maintaining proper technique precision. 10. Bounding sprint forward in long, exaggerated strides focusing on maximum distance per step. This emphasizes power from the hips, calves, and glutes with each ground contact phase. Bounding enhances leg drive mechanics and sprint speed through longer force application. Arms swing in opposition to legs to support balance and help propel momentum forward. It improves coordination, stride power, and reaction timing during sprint takeoffs. Perform on soft grass or turf to reduce joint strain while allowing aggressive propulsion. Each stride becomes a training tool for dynamic force and rhythm under running speed. Bounding increases fast twitch muscle activation in a functional sport-specific context. Explosive power starts with smart training, and these plyo moves bring results. Which exercise gave you the biggest boost? Let us know in the comments. And if you're serious about building speed, strength, and performance, don't forget to like and subscribe to Health Spark for more high-impact workouts, fitness tips, and performance-driven routines.